Hey guys, welcome to Little Monster Eats. I have some avocados that are going ripe, so I decided to make a smoothie. There is a Vietnamese recipe called sinh that's actually really good, very creamy, and so I wanted to share that with you guys today.
So I have 1 cup of ice, 1/3 cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of regular milk, and I have 3 ripe avocados. So start by cutting the avocado, and I probably should have used a cutting board here so I wouldn't cut my hand, but I didn't think about that at the time. Nice and green, and I'm gonna go ahead and scoop it out. So once you're done scooping out all your avocados, add the condensed milk. It's pretty thick and sweet, so you can add a little bit more or a little bit less based on how sweet you want it to be. After that, pour in your milk. Oh shoot, I spilled some, but I'll clean that up later. And here's some ice. Put your lid on and start to blend. At this point, it should get pretty thick, so go ahead and just stir it up and check the consistency. I'm going to taste a bit of it. Seems perfect to me, and let's begin to pour it out. So this avocado smoothie is more of an avocado shake because you can see how thick and creamy it is. And there you go.
So I finished the avocado smoothie, and here it is. Check out the bright green colors. I put a pretty pink straw in it. There's Brandon for you, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It's nice and creamy. You definitely taste the sweetness from the condensed milk, so you can always add a little bit more or a little bit less depending on what you want to do. But if you have any avocados that are going bad, definitely give this a try. I know it's not very conventional for avocado usage, but it's really good, and it's the traditional Vietnamese sinh. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe and tell me if you want to see any more like this. Have a monsterific day, and thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.